What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best steel-toe shoes and work boots to buy right now. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
You demand the most out of your work footwear, and Skechers always delivers. With more durability, more safety features, and more comfort, Skechers packs in the essentials, like safety toe protection, electrical hazard protection, waterproof oil and slip-resistant rubber outsoles, and Skechers air-cooled memory foam for all-day comfort. Heavy-duty work boots built to withstand whatever you put them through. Keep dry, comfortable, and protected with Skechers footwear.
Larnmern is a popular choice for anyone who needs reliable and durable work shoes. The Larnmern shoes are designed to provide maximum protection and comfort, making them suitable for a wide range of industries and environments. One of the standout features of Larnmern is its steel toe cap, which provides excellent protection against impact and compression. The shoes also have a bulletproof midsole, which further enhances their safety features. These features make the Larnmern ideal for those who work in construction, manufacturing, or other industries where heavy objects or machinery pose a risk to the feet. Aside from their safety features, Larnmern is also designed with comfort in mind. The shoes have a moisture-wicking mesh lining that keeps your feet dry and comfortable throughout the day. They also come with a removable foam insole that provides extra cushioning and support to your feet. Another great feature of Larnmern is its slip-resistant outsole. The outsole is made of ethylene vinyl acetate, EVA, and has unique lines and strategically sized nodes that enhance flexibility and improve slip resistance for added stability. This makes the shoes suitable for a wide range of environments, including wet or slippery surfaces. Overall, Larnmern is a top choice for anyone who needs high-quality work shoes that offer excellent protection, comfort, and slip resistance. With their stylish appearance and practical features, these shoes are sure to be a great addition to any worker's wardrobe.
Hi, I'm Ryan from Timberland Pro, and this is the Trailwind work boot. The Trailwind is designed for those who have to get the job done, rain or shine. It features a waterproof membrane to help keep your feet dry and comfortable on the job site, a carbon shield composite safety toe for lightweight protection, and a Vibram outsole for enhanced traction and durability. The Trailwind also features our Stable Stride technology for enhanced stability on uneven surfaces. All of this is built around our lightweight hover spring foam midsole and our dynamic anti-fatigue technology insole for all-day energy return and comfort. So if you're looking for a boot that is ready for anything, try the Timberland Pro Trailwind work boot.
I'm Julia, and today I want to present Red Lion, the safety boots that help you recover energy with every step. Red Lion is the range of footwear that uses a soft PU midsole and the innovative Infinity system. 55% more energy, 100% more possibility. What is Infinity? Infinity is a composite material designed by BASF, originally designed for the world of running and then applied to safety boots. It can return energy with every step, and it ensures high energy recovery. Infinity improves your work performance level, and it reinvents traditional cushioning into dynamic cushioning. What are Infinity's characteristics? So there's high resilience, flexibility and lightness, low density, high tensile strength and resistant to abrasion. High impermeability, resistance to wide temperature changes, so from 40 degrees Celsius to minus 20 degrees Celsius, and 55% energy rebound coefficient. Let's now talk about the Red Lion range. A wide range for all seasons with soft and lightweight upper materials, innovative and technologically advanced. you can find low and mid-cut models to protect the ankle. Work boots are from SB standard to S3, including SRC or SIB anti-slip protection. Toe cap in composite or aluminium material for all styles, so from S1 standard protection. The Redline range is the solution to improve the conditions for workers having different situations and stresses, such as standing for long periods, walking long distances, long periods kneeling or squatting down, and walking up and down the stairs repeatedly or repetitive stress. Well, let me now show you the Stego model. Stego is a mid-cut safety boot with a design that ensures high comfort. The upper is in water repellent Putec Plus that's highly resistant to abrasion. The Infinity system in between the sole gives you 55% more energy back with every step, while the multifunctional heel and the compact PU tread provides grip and stability to maintain good posture. Safety standard S3, SRC, CI and ESD. So always choose the perfect style for your job. U-Power, workwear and footwear.
Furuian is a type of footwear designed to provide safety and protection in hazardous work environments. These shoes are made with durable materials that can withstand tough conditions, making them ideal for workers in the construction, manufacturing, and transportation industries. One of the key features of Furuian is the steel toe cap that provides protection against heavy objects falling onto the foot. The steel toe cap is designed to meet safety standards and has been tested to withstand significant impact and compression forces. In addition to the steel toe cap, Furuian also features a slip-resistant sole that provides traction on slippery surfaces. This feature is particularly important for workers who may encounter wet or oily surfaces in their work environment. Another benefit of Furuian is its durability. These shoes are made with high-quality materials that can withstand daily wear and tear, ensuring that they last for a long time. Additionally, they are designed to be comfortable and provide support throughout the workday, reducing fatigue and improving overall foot health. Furuian comes in a variety of styles and sizes to fit the needs of different workers. They can be found in both lace-up and slip-on styles and are available in both men's and women's sizes. Overall, Furuian is an excellent choice for workers who require footwear that provides both safety and comfort. With their steel toe caps, slip-resistant soles, and durable materials, these shoes are an essential piece of equipment for anyone working in hazardous conditions. So that's it for the top 5 best steel-toe shoes and work boots to buy right now. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest video.